All right, we got a customer states. Customer states that they were driving their 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550. They came to a light. The vehicle has an auto stop, auto start function. The car cut off at a light and it would not restart. I'm telling you people, stop using that feature. All it does, it makes your starter fail prematurely. Let's get the starter replaced in this Mercedes S550 4MATIC. Let me show you. All right, this is a tight one right here. It also has a coolant leak that we have to deal with. But right there is your starter in a very tight position. We got to our back bolts to remove the starter right there. You come around here, we have a steering shaft that we already have removed and pushed back up into the vehicle. And the hopes is that with this 4MATIC, it might be a little easier on this one. We better slide this right out. So here's our old one. Standard starter, nothing special about it. 2 bolts, new one, let's get it in. All right, so we have our new one mounted back up in the car. We was able to slide it right out. We're gonna get our steering shaft connected. Let's keep moving. All right, so we still gotta put some panels and stuff together. Hey son, turn this key and this thing should fire up. Is it gonna start? There it is, it starts.